Friday, it's the setup day or first day of Proline by the Fire. Just getting finished up here at the hotel, gonna get the car packed up and head over to Horseman's Park. Backwards right now, just kind of before everything gets kicked off, but I won't have a ton of time to run courses later, so I'm trying to get in some running now. We're going to take the elements out on the element course and see how that proves to work. It's, what time is it? 1:35. Everything, I think the associated site went live at 1. My video goes live at 3. You didn't get anything done. Did you get a video done?
Was it?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Those two are behind. It's quality over quantity. You know, early bird gets the worm. So, let's see how this course goes.
up actually running 4 trails or something like that. Ran the wheelies on 2, ran the Enduro on 2, and then Matt and I both took out our Ultra Fusion rigs and kind of drove those around just for fun, just not really doing anything, just playing around a little bit there. Today was actually the first time that I was able to drive my Enduro, so getting it out on the rocks was good. I shot a little bit of video, but nothing crazy, just, you know, kind of playing around. Of course, there's a lot of people out there on the trails, so you can't really shoot video like I would want to, but was able to just take it out, have fun. It does well. The overdrive is nice out of the box, and it drives well. Stock servo's pretty decent. Tire foams are a little soft, but the tires do well. The bumpers definitely get in the way, which was going to be obvious. So it needs new bumpers. That's first on the list. You got to get rid of those bumpers. But beyond that, it feels good. So it was a fun truck to drive. Had the wheelies out on course again. That was a lot of fun. I've been driving that. I drove that on 4S on 2 courses first, and then went to that Enduro on 2S, and that was I had to recalculate and reset myself for that, but it was a good time. I did also, and then while wandering around, ran into the guys at Horizon, and they gave me I got my little SCX 24 deadbolt. Kind of fun. We were driving around out there a little bit, so I'm sure I'll drive it tomorrow more, but fairly inexpensive little thing, and, you know, fun nonetheless. Tomorrow, Matt and I plan to do the Ultra Fusion showdown on that. I think we're gonna do it midday, like noonish or something like that. I'll be at the Vanquish booth most of the day, I think, so it's gonna be a busy day. You know, it was a long day today. We got here, it's 10 o'clock at night by the time we got back. We got out there around 9. Tomorrow morning we're gonna have to be there earlier, and we'll probably be there later. I'm hoping to get this video edited tonight and try and get it uploaded as well. So, but I'm calling this one a night. We're gonna wrap it up. Hopefully some of you guys enjoy the Enduro video, and hopefully I see some of you guys out there tomorrow. But I've got work to do. I've got a shower to take, most importantly, and then I need to try and get to bed. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy them. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the notification bell, and see you on the next one.